Are you tired of creating pins that go nowhere? Hey there, happy Thursday. My name is Julie Osmeyer, and tonight we are going to talk about why you aren't getting found on Pinterest and three free resources that you can do to help leverage your content on the Pinterest platform. So, the main reason I think people are not getting found on Pinterest is because you're treating it like social media. Spoiler alert, it's not. So, social media, you're chasing followers, you're trying to outguess the social media algorithm. Pinterest is a search engine, which means your marketing strategy needs to be completely different. So, how do we market on Pinterest? Pinterest is, like I said, a search engine. So it's based on keywords. So tonight I'm going to share with you three free resources that you can use to help find those keywords. So let me share my screen here and let's see. We'll get started. So we're basically going to start. We can start on Google. That's okay. So I want you to think of what product or service it is that you are marketing. For example, let's do gluten free. We're going to start very simple base word. And if you'll notice here, this is our keywords that people are searching for. So there's gluten-free foods, I think would be a good one if that's one of your targeting keywords. But let's just click on the word gluten-free and see what comes up. You will notice, let me get my computer to wake up here. If you scroll down, let me find it here. People also ask, so what does gluten-free mean? That it would be considered a long tail keyword that you can use in your Pinterest titles, in your descriptions, on your board descriptions that people will be searching for. So when they go to the Pinterest platform, they you will pop up in the search results and people can and find you. So when you hit this little down arrow, it will give you a little description. But what I want you to see is it also unlocks more of these and it keeps giving you more ideas for keywords. So, what can gluten free people eat? I think that would be very highly searched on the Pinterest platform as well. We're going to jump over there in a minute. What does gluten do to your body? These are all long tail keywords that you can be using to target your target audience. If you are selling gluten free products, you're doing the clean living and the clean eating as well. So keep just tabbing down here and hitting this little caret, and it will keep popping up. Get my computer to wake up here. It'll keep opening up more and more things that people are asking for. Okay. Let me switch over to Pinterest. Pinterest is the next platform that you can use that's free. And right here, we are in the home feed. So we're going to do a search here. We're going to search for gluten free. As you will see, let me get this out of the way here. These first, these are what's popular right now and how people are searching. So you can make boards possibly that say gluten-free recipes. You could include this in your titles. You want to include this in your descriptions. Maybe you're going to narrow it down and talk about gluten-free desserts. This is also another area where you can target certain recipes, desserts, certain boards. You can use this, like I said, in your board descriptions, in your titles and descriptions. And as you use them more and more, they're going to start to compound. So when somebody comes to the Pinterest platform and finds your content, then you're going to come up in those search results. Gluten-free dinner. I can see all of these right here. Every one of these would be a perfect description for a Pinterest board. Okay. And you can just keep scrolling down through here. Let's just look at gluten-free meals. So when you click on that, let's see what pins it pulls up. Everything is gluten-free, daily gluten-free recipes, 10 easy gluten-free meals. gluten-free fall dinners you will crave. I think that one will be very popular right now. What I want to say about this is they're not only targeting the word gluten-free, but they're also adding in and stacking other keywords that are seasonally based. So they're adding the word fall in here, Thanksgiving. Let's see if we can find any others in here where they've actually stacked keywords with gluten free. Keep going down. Right here, gluten free apple cinnamon muffins, cozy fall baking. So they're stacking again here, gluten free with the seasonal keyword fall. And let's see if we can find another one here that would stack it with something that's seasonal. Not seeing anything yet, but budget recipes, gluten-free and budget's not so seasonal. I'm sure gluten-free eating is not cheap. So I think this would be very, very valuable if you had these people in as a target audience. That would be very beneficial to them. And so these are just some ideas of different pins that are related around that gluten-free keyword. So the last place I want to show you is a website called SpyFu. Now I have a paid account, but I am pretty sure you get so many searches for free on this platform. So let's just take a look here and let's type in gluten-free and see what happens. And it's going to show us results here. My computer's being slow. So what I like to do is there are keywords here, but when you're creating content, okay, see, it's only going to give me the first 5 because I'm not logged in. So is rice gluten-free? You could create content in a video, and this could be your hook. The first thing you would say is rice gluten-free, and then go right into describing the details of this in your video. So when people search for this on Google, because they listen to what you're saying, they read the text that is on the screen as well. So when people will type this into Google and your content is word for word with this question, you're more likely to pop up in those search results and be found. Another example here is oatmeal gluten-free. What is gluten-free? I think this would be a great topic, and this is a long tail keyword for you to key in on. I would also use this in addition to my board descriptions as well on Pinterest. So as you can see, I'm going to stop my share here. Those are my top 3 resources that I use to help myself find keywords on Pinterest. So Google, the Pinterest platform itself, and the website SpyFu. So the reason I'm telling you all of this is if you are looking at maybe starting a business on the side, maybe you're looking at starting a side hustle, maybe you're wanting to create passive income, maybe you're a stay-at-home mom and you're wanting to create more income and contribute financially from home while you're home raising your babies. Whatever your reason could be for making additional money, I want to tell you about Kim Ward's upcoming masterclass called Pins to Paychecks. And this is her 3-step system, excuse me, to show you how to create income with affiliate marketing. Now, we're focusing on affiliate marketing, but the same strategy is going to work whether you have a services to sell, whether you're a service-based business, whether you're product-based, or whether you're an affiliate marketing, whether you already currently have a business and you're just looking to scale. So don't let just because it's targeted for affiliate marketing to not think that it won't work for you, because it will. So Friday the 26th at 11 a.m. Central, Kim is hosting a free 90-minute masterclass to show you exactly what to do on Pinterest with your products. So I got you on here. I'm going to drop the link and I want you to go and register and reserve your seats because I think her Zoom room only holds 500 people. and she's already almost met that limit. So if you're wanting to grab your seat, I want you to go in and go ahead and register. Second thing you can do is to guarantee that she's going to have a recording up for 48 hours. And then after that, that recording is coming down. You're no longer going to have access to it. But if by chance her Zoom room fills up and you can't get in, she has a VIP access. It's very cheap. It's $27. You're going to get that recording for life. If you don't know Kim Ward, I can tell you this girl delivers value. She gives you way more than what you would ever think or even what you pay for. Also, what that $27 is going to get you is a Q&A session. I believe it is on the 29th at 6 Central, where you can come in, ask her any questions you want, whether it's business marketing related, Pinterest related, whatever questions come to mind for you, she is there to answer those for you. So the VIP option is on there as well. I really want you to consider that, especially as fast as her Zoom room is filling up. That's all for now. If you have any questions, let me know. It's later than usual than I usually jump online, so I'm probably gonna hit this hay here pretty quickly and go get some rest on this Thursday night. So I hope you all had a great day, and I really hope to see you on Friday the 26th at 11 a.m. Central. We will talk to you soon.